Your body is a living museum, filled with exhibits from our distant past. These features were once essential for our ancestors' survival, but now they serve little to no purpose. They are echoes of a different time. Here are 7 things your body does that are evolutionary leftovers. Goosebumps. When you're cold or scared, tiny muscles at the base of each hair follicle contract, giving you goosebumps. For our furry ancestors, this was a vital survival tool. Puffing up their fur made them look bigger and more intimidating to predators, and it also trapped a layer of air to provide better insulation. For us, relatively hairless humans, it's a completely useless reflex. The tailbone, Coccyx. At the very bottom of your spine is a small triangular bone called the coccyx, or tailbone. It's exactly what it sounds like, the remnant of a tail. Our distant primate ancestors used tails for balance and communication. As we started walking upright, the tail became unnecessary and eventually shrunk away, leaving behind these few fused vertebrae. Wisdom teeth. These late-blooming molars were essential for our ancestors, who ate a diet of rough plants, nuts, and raw meats that wore down their teeth quickly. The third set of molars provided much-needed extra chewing power, but as our diet softened with cooking and agriculture, our jaws became smaller. Now, there's often no room for wisdom teeth, leading to pain, infection, and a very common surgery. The Palmar grasp reflex. A newborn baby will tightly grasp anything placed in its palm. This reflex is so strong it can support the baby's entire weight. For our primate ancestors, this was a lifesaver, allowing a baby to cling to its mother's fur as she moved through the trees. While it promotes bonding today, its original function is long obsolete. The plantar reflex, baby's toes. When you stroke the sole of a baby's foot, its toes will fan out and then curl. This is called the Babinski reflex. In primates, this helps with gripping and climbing. In humans, it disappears after about a year, to be replaced by the normal adult reflex, where the toes simply curl downwards. Its presence in infants is a remnant of our arboreal past. The appendix. This small organ attached to your large intestine was once a dedicated factory for digesting cellulose, the tough material in plant cell walls. Our leaf-eating ancestors relied on it. As our diets evolved to be more varied and easier to digest, the appendix lost its primary function. Now it mostly makes headlines for causing appendicitis, though it may play a minor role in gut immunity. Ear-wiggling muscles. See if you can do it. The muscles that allow you to wiggle your ears are a remnant of a time when our ancestors could actively swivel their ears to focus on sounds, much like modern cats or deer. This was crucial for detecting predators or prey. While some people retain a little control, the system of muscles is largely disconnected from the part of our brain that controls focused attention, rendering them virtually useless. These leftovers are not flaws. They are proof of our incredible evolutionary journey. They tell the story of who we were and how we became who we are today.